Welcome back on my channel again. Today I am going to show you how to install a WPS Office on Linux Mint. You can also follow the same steps to install a WPS Office on Ubuntu. Let's see how to install it. First we have to download a tab package of WPS Office. So open your browser and search WPS Office. And download a WPS Office from its official website. So open a WPS Office website, then click on download. After that, choose WPS Office for Linux. Then click on download button again. After that, choose AMD64.dat because I have choose that because my OS is 64-bit, and you can choose i386.deb if your OS is 32-bit. Wait until complete download. After download completed, open a folder and open with GW Package Manager. Then click on Install Package. And put user password here. If you are new on my channel or not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe my channel by click on that subscribe button, and don't forget to click on bell icon to get more videos. It's motivate me, or also like my videos or share my videos. Thanks for subscribe my channel. Now it shows that same version is already installed. That means that our WPS Office is successfully installed. Congratulations. Let's check it to open it. If you are new on my channel or not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe my channel by click on that subscribe button, and don't forget to click on bell icon to get more videos. It's motivate me, or also like my videos or share my videos. Thanks for subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.